What are you doing? What are y'all doing? Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You see the little pigs back here running around? Hey, I'm super excited today to make this video. This is the video I've been waiting to make because we're making progress. It's finally begun. We finally started getting the house going. So we finally are starting on the modern family farmhouse. I'll walk over there and show it to you guys here just a second, but I want to show you the pigs for a minute. Now I made a video a few days ago on the pigs. They've been out on grass for over a week now, right at a week. And so I did like a 2 or 3 day update. I haven't edited that video yet. I'll get that out to you guys. And then I'm going to show you guys what's going on over here when they've been out here for a week. I'm going to tell you right now, they are super happy. Can't you imagine? They're getting to root around and all that stuff. Now, I'm still a firm believer you could raise pigs in a pen, no problem. But they're really liking the open field too, as you guys can see. It's super hot. It's a super hot Oklahoma day today. Actually, month, year, it's hot. We're in a drought. Not getting very much rain at all. But the good thing about that is it's not going to hold us up on the farmhouse build. The heat will, though. The framer's only getting to work like 5 or 6 hours. Come here at 6 in the morning until noon because it just gets so hot out here. And if you guys don't know, I live on a 10-acre lot of old farmland, and there's no trees by the house other than ones we planted, but that's like the main shade tree we got for the animals. Let me spin this around, not make you guys sick. And I planted those loblolly pines back there, but they're not quite big enough to give shade off yet, so it's super hot out here. But I'm going to get some drone footage for you guys. The drone battery is actually charging right now, but it will be in the video, so at some point we'll go over here and I'll show you guys the lumber I've got laid out right here. You can see they got some of the trusses, a bunch of wood, nails. It's going on. And they got some walls up. Yeah, as you guys can tell, we're super excited to finally get this thing kicked off and going. It's been a waiting game, but we're getting it done. It's awesome. Can't wait. Can't wait to move in. It's probably going to fly by. Not really. It's probably going to take forever while we're waiting. But then when it's done, we'll probably think, well, that really wasn't that bad. But yeah. I actually hear some thunder. I don't know if you heard that. Maybe we do got a little bit of shower. We need the rain bad. Hopefully it doesn't get all, it doesn't rain all over all my lumber. But if it does, it won't be a big deal. It'll dry out quick. You can see. I'll walk over here in a second and show you each little pile. But let's look at what they got going on. Oh, I'm actually in our master bath right here. Let's look here. All the walls. They're using treated lumber on anything that's touching the ground. There's one bedroom, the bathroom, another bedroom, the garage. This is a window above going to be the bathtub. So you guys kind of see, and these are 9-foot ceilings tall. So you can see it's coming together. Let me set this down. Let's see if I can get a zoom in. These are 9-foot ceilings, and if you guys don't have 9-foot ceilings, we do in the pole barn. You can see it right back there. If you've never been in a house that has 9-foot ceilings, I don't know, you're not really missing out, but that extra foot makes it look a lot bigger. And so it's pretty cool. That's what we went with. You can see it's all. But yeah, we're super excited. I'm super excited. I know the wife and kids are. Brandy said a little hope. My youngest one, she's 4. She walked outside today and she didn't know what was going on. She goes, Yes, yes. She starts screaming yes. They're ready for their own bedrooms, and we're ready for them to have their own bedrooms. I just can't wait. It's so exciting. I'm going to bring you guys along as much as I can. I just got home from working out of town for a few days. That's getting ready to come to a halt within the next week or so. So I'll be here hopefully every day. And I can try to give you guys a daily update or every couple day update when they do things. I want to get as much of this documented as I can for my family, for my kids. When they get bigger, they can see mom and dad's farmhouse they built. You know, all you guys will get to come along with us too. I really appreciate all of you guys, all my subscribers, and all the nice comments and thumbs up you guys give us. It's just awesome. It's amazing. I'm about to come up on like 35,000 subscribers. To me, that's just amazing. Never thought I would get there, and if I wasn't get there, never thought I'd get there this fast. A lot of you guys might know, me and Arms Family Homestead kind of started really doing the whole YouTube thing about the same time, and our channels have really started to take off. That's because all the YouTube community out there, all of you, everyone out there that's watching this. I mean, it's really a blessing to have a bunch of followers like I have and like Daniel has. It's awesome. But yeah, it's been like probably a year and a half since we really started doing the whole YouTube thing. You know. Sometimes daily vlog, sometimes every other day, at least 3 or 4 times a week I'm posting. So is Daniel. We try to get out as much content for everyone as we can. Sometimes it could be slow. I know it's really, really hot in Oklahoma, so you don't want to do a whole lot of stuff out here in Oklahoma. You can see my hat, Boomer Sooner, but you can see how it's just sweating. Not my hat sweating, my head sweating because it's just so humid and hot out here. But yeah, so it's really hard to get things done in the Oklahoma heat. And in Oklahoma winters. Fall is by far my favorite time of the year. I think a lot of you guys know that. It's probably a lot of your all's favorite time too, because we'll have the house going on. Hopefully we get in here by November, by Thanksgiving. That's always been my goal, and I think we're gonna get there. But I'll be doing. I got a lot of stuff lined up. We got a lot of stuff on our plate. Got the house. Got to do the pig pen. I'm going to be doing different designs to the pig pen now. Seeing that they really love rooting around the grass, eating grass, and just kind of roaming. I'll definitely be making a big lot for the pigs to roam around when we move it. So that's one project we're always going to need firewood. So we'll be collecting firewood. I cut a couple trees down last winter for this fall. So I'll be going over there and getting them. We got a lot of stuff lined up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I hope you all stick around. And hope you enjoy this part of our life, the modern family farmhouse bill. I call it the modern family farmhouse bill because we're a modern family and we like to think it's going to be a farmhouse. The way my wife's going to design the inside and stuff, or decorate and all that stuff, she likes the old farm look. So it's pretty exciting times, guys. And we're just really happy that we could bring all you along with us. So I'll do some drone footage. I might have already done a little bit in here, just show you guys the overlay of it. And it looks a lot bigger to me now that there's some walls up. Brandy didn't think it looked very big, but to me it looks like it's freaking big. I'm like, man, what do we get ourselves into? No, it'll be fine. But yeah, pretty cool. They're gonna start working tomorrow morning first thing, and maybe I'll give you another update the following day, because I'll be home the next few days. So as long as they keep doing progress, I'll keep showing all of you all. One way you guys could show me you like watching this stuff is giving me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And smash that like button, you know. And yeah, that's what we got going on right now. I'll quit rambling on. I know a lot of you guys like me to ramble some, but some of y'all don't. So I'll kind of cut the rambling down a little bit, and we'll do a little walkthrough for everything. And hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. The garage. And some of y'all might notice we're gonna have to cut that out. It's too far, and on that side too. Not a big deal. No windows in the garage, but there'll be an upstairs, have a window. We don't plan on spending a lot of time in here, so there's no windows in here. We have a back door right there. This door, there'll be a patio right here going into the screened-in porch. I'll be all screened-in porch with another door right there. Laundry room's over there. A lot of you guys have seen this layout already, but it's starting to come along. USAT board looks a little warped, but they'll take care of it. Pretty good sized bedroom. Brandy's afraid the bedrooms are going to be small, but I think it's pretty dang good size. I don't think there's anything small about this place. It's nuts. Yeah, pretty sweet. So yeah, can't wait to get it done. Pretty sweet. All right, guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I really appreciate all of you watching. Thanks a lot. Catch you on the next video.